On November 21, 2022, a 5.6 magnitude killed at least 268 people and left 100 injured in Indonesia's main region, Java. Majority of the people who lost their lives in this earthquake are school-going children. This quake struck in the mountainous region on the west of Indonesia just before 1:30 p.m. local time. A 6-year-old boy, Aska, has been pulled from the rubble after spending 2 days trapped under debris without food and water, while 151 are still missing. This shallow quake struck at a depth of 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles, and the hardest hit was the city of Cianjur in West Java. It also left hospitals in Cianjur without cover for several hours. Indonesia is no stranger to natural disasters like this though. Now the question arises, was that earthquake considered strong? The magnitude of earthquake would typically be expected to cause light damage to well-built infrastructure. According to US Geological Survey, there is not one magnitude above it damage will occur. It depends on other variables such as distance from the earthquake, type of soil you are on, and building constructions. In Indonesia, apart from damage to roads and bridges, dozens of buildings including Islamic boarding schools, a hospital, and their public facilities were severely hit. Now the second question comes in mind, that why did the quake cause so much damage? According to the experts, proximity to fault lines, the depth of tremor, and the buildings not being constructed using quake-proof methods were factors in the devastation.